How to make sperm stronger for pregnancy. Here are the best tips to follow. Stronger swimmers, or healthier sperm, are more likely to reach an egg and fertilize it. Semen is the whitish fluid that is visible after ejaculation. Sperm are the tiny, tail-like cells found in semen that meet an egg during conception. Each sperm is composed of a head, neck, and tail. Each component is also a typical size and shape. Sperm cannot be made thicker, but it can be made stronger and healthier. There is no single factor that can guarantee you'll become pregnant because fertility is a complicated issue. It depends on a variety of factors, including sperm quality. Here are some tips on how to make sperm stronger for pregnancy if you're looking for ways to increase your chances of conception. How many sperm are required to become pregnant? Semen volume, the amount of semen in the sample. Subscribe. The total number of sperm in a sample is known as the sperm count. The likelihood that you will fertilize an egg increases with your sperm count. Please subscribe. Sperm movement and swimming ability are referred to as sperm motility. Sperm have a better chance of finding an egg if they have high motility. Sperm morphology, this is how your sperm are shaped. It is impossible to fertilize an egg if you have sperm with an abnormal morphology. Subscribe, like, comment. The quantity of viable sperm is known as sperm vitality. Sperm won't be able to reach the egg if there aren't enough viable ones. A normal sperm count is what? If your ejaculate contains 39 million or more sperm overall, your count is regarded as normal, or more than 15 million per milliliter of semen. Is thick semen preferable for pregnancy? Thick semen may have benefits over thin, runny semen, such as the ability to hold more sperm. Additionally, semen that is thicker might have an easier time fertilizing an egg by remaining in the reproductive system for longer. Nevertheless, you must keep in mind that each person's semen is unique, so it is not abnormal if your ejaculate is occasionally watery or slightly thicker. Your sperm's health can only be determined by a semen analysis. How to increase sperm strength and thickness. There are some things you can do in order to obtain stronger sperm. Stronger swimmers, or healthier sperm, are more likely to reach an egg and fertilize it. Here are 7 methods to improve sperm quality and support sperm health. 1. Quit smoking. It is well known that smoking cigarettes and being around secondhand smoke can affect fertility. Smoking can harm the sperm DNA and the reproductive system. Quitting smoking may increase sperm count and semen volume. 2. Continue to be active. Exercise has many advantages that can improve your physical, mental, and even sexual well-being. Regular exercise can increase sperm production and enhance a fish's ability to swim forward. 3. Eat a balanced diet. You've probably heard that eating a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is crucial for good health. But did you know that it's also connected to sperm health and semen quality? Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that may improve sperm count and help them swim better. Keep a healthy weight. Keeping a healthy weight helps to produce healthy sperm. People with obesity who lost weight had better quality semen, according to a small study. Less alcohol intake. Alcohol use, especially chronic use, can have a variety of harmful effects on the body. Male fertility issues like decreased sperm volume, sperm count, and sperm shape are included in this. According to studies, cutting back on alcohol consumption, especially if you're a heavy drinker, may help these parameters.